Hey guys, welcome to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make the mango whiskey sour. First, add a half cup of mangoes to your cocktail shaker and muddle. Now, because we're dry shaking this cocktail, we are not going to add ice just yet. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon or rye whiskey. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Next, add a half ounce of simple syrup. Next, add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, add 1 egg white. Next, dry shake. Now add ice and wet shake. Next, add ice to your whiskey glass and pour. Finally, garnish with a lemon wheel and a mango wedge. And that's how you make the mango whiskey sour. Cheers.